If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Alright, let's check out 17's I Don't Understand You But Love You. Ooh! Hey, yo, pause. They started with a slow beat with a guitar? Like electric. That shit already started off good off the bat. Hold up. Hey, get the guitar in there. Woo! Zoom! Hey yo, this is some making some bread type of music. And what I mean is that little, you know what I'm saying? The body roll. Woo! Woo! Hey! Hey yo, hold up! That's fire! I don't understand, but I love you. I mean, I get it. So 17, what you're saying is that there's a chance for all those fans to, like, you know, spit game. That little part right there, fire. Who said smoke smell? Oh, that part's fire. Ooh, this part, the pre-chorus, the chorus is my favorite part, and the beginning. And that guitar in the background is so fire. Ooh. That part, that last part right here, love it. Yo, Woozy, just hit me up. I would love to collab with Woozy. I don't understand, but I love you. Woo! And the rest is all guitar? No way. Woo! I'm gonna hit off this little orange soda I got here. Oh wait, chill. All right, you want me to watch that TikTok though? Okay, now I understand. I don't understand, but I love you. Already one of my favorite tracks right now. Let's check this out.
Understand, but I love you.
야 이거 멋있다. 잘하는 거. 그런데 야 근데 야 이거 나쁘지 않아? 노래 제목이
Oh! Hey yo, is that fan? Hey, that fan better get some credit. That fan better get some like residuals. Don't just like, oh, you inspired myself. You know, but listen, hey yo, Hold up. It was inspired by a fan. I don't understand, but I love you. So Hoshi.
But I love you. 그런 거. 야 이거 멋있다. 아래는 거.
Hey, they need to give Carrot. Hey, they need to give Carrot some royalties.
야 근데 야 이거 노래 제목 노래 가사는
We can use it for our lyrics. They use it as a chorus. That's what it is. That's the hook. That's where the money is. Cha-ching. Nah, but if you don't have to. You don't have to. It's cool that it's inspired by fans too. That shows the connection between like 17 and Carrots. That's pretty fire. That's pretty fire. Yeah, this is definitely one of my faves. It's a very R&B esque. And just the way that the build up before the actual hook or like the main chorus is just nice. I think it's from pre-chorus to chorus then to hook. But I look great. Maybe I look a lot. Whoa. To be honest, I think my jawline popped up because I stopped drinking. Look at this. Hey, yo, boy. How you lose weight, Dre? Stress.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.